play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski Daddy. Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Jackie in New York. Jackie.
Hi, Jim Cramer. Thank you so much for taking my call.
And thank you for calling.
And I've been watching you since Kudlow and Cramer. And, yeah, I'm dating myself. And I'm a member of the club.
Thank you. The club is indispensable. I keep telling people that. You want to make money in your portfolio, or try to. I always want to do my best. The club. How can I help?
So, at this price, what do you think of CMI Cummins?
Cummins had her own recent. I think that stock is a buy right here. Longer term, Cummins is the best there is. Let's go to Adam in Illinois. Adam.
Hey, Jim. Calling from Cubs country with a booyah from a club member. Thanks so much for everything you do.
Thank you.
Got a question about commercial real estate. With all the turmoil in that sector, I've been long SPG for years, and I'm starting to wonder now if it's time to pull back.
Yeah, look, it is a tough situation. I was in one of SPG's balls. It was all anecdotal. And frankly, it was just terrible. I mean, I was just shocked at how horrible it was. It was like a ghost mall, and it was very, very depressing. I absolutely see the problems. But I will say this. Federal Realty, FRT's got a much better business model, and that's when you want to be because there's more mixed use. That is now the safer stock. Let's go to Michael in Florida. Michael.
Booyah, Jim. This is Leader, Michael Leader in Miami, Florida here. How you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm well. It's storming, just like my ADT call. I bought it back in March, hoping Google dipping a little money into it, and
let me tell you, it's never too late to sell that stock. That's how bad that is. I mean, it's just been an abomination, that stock, and I don't mind calling them out. Let's go to Kenny in South Carolina. Kenny.
Booyah, Professor Cramer.
Yes, what's going on?
Well, it was a good day until we found out that the 5 people on the submersible lost their lives when the mini submarine imploded.
Yeah, that was sad. We all were focused on that. We were always hopeful. We were hopeful. Anyway, our hope did not work. But
our thoughts and prayers are with the family.
Yeah. Wow, that was just a terrible one. I hope their families are okay. Okay,
Jim, I appreciate you taking the call. My questions concern AbbVie pharmaceutical company.
AbbVie's got some very troubling things going on because they have a major drug that is coming off patent. I would much rather see you in the very reduced J&J. In terms of price, you look at what happened with 3M when it settled its decision. All those lawsuits involving PFAS, which is forever chemicals. If J&J were to settle a situation when it comes to talc, then I think that stock could have a similar move. Let's go to Michelle in New York. Michelle.
Hey there, Jim. Booyah. How are you?
Doing well. How about you, Michelle?
I'm doing great. Like to know your take on Datadog.
Datadog is a very well-run company. It's going to put up some good numbers. I really think that is one of the few techs I can say right now that is the growth Friday. It's not making a lot of money, that they will be making a lot of money next year, and I think it's a buy. Let's go to David in North Carolina. David.
Hey, Jim. When I was 8 years old, my mother told me to take my birthday and tour money and invest it. So I did it in my public utility. What do you think of those in Kansas City investing in Evergy?
Very good company. Absolutely. And I like the yield, 4 1/4. I think that's a terrific idea. And I think that your mom's right. I have to tell you, I like that stuff very much. I should do a little more profile on it. Okay, and let's go to Mark in Wisconsin. Mark.
Dr. Cramer, thank you for taking my call.
Quite welcome.
Got a stock for you in the logistics, based in Mondovi, Wisconsin. Strong insider position, think family owned. All they do is make money and pay a dividend. I currently own it. Should I buy more? Ticker MRTN, Martin Transport. Your thoughts?
Fabulous trucking company. Trucking company starting to do well. That one is well below where XPO is. I think that's a real interesting situation. Hey, let's go to Bob in Florida. Bob.
Yeah. Hey, booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
First, I just want to let you know I joined your investment club recently. I've been watching you for years, and I want to thank you for all you do for us. I have a question today about a company that supplies materials and logistics to the fracking industry exclusively in the Permian Basin. there are only about 10 analysts that follow it, but it's got 6 buys and 4 strong buys. I wonder, what do you think about Atlas Energy Solutions?
No, that's going to trade with the price of oil, and I've been telling people I think the price of oil is too high and going lower. It almost seems propped up here and cannot stay higher. That's why we've been not buying, even though it would be helpful to our bases, any of our oil stocks right here. I just don't think they're going to make you money right now. Nick in Illinois. Nick.
Give it chill. Big fan of the show in your garden.
What's going on?
I remember when I bought my first stock. Sweet, sweet dividends. Now I'm playing more speculative trades. With the Gen Z student loan pause being lifted, what's your thoughts on SoFi?
Okay, when SoFi was in 4, we sat down with Anthony No. We were at Santa Barbara, and we looked in the eye, and we liked the story very, very much. It has since doubled, and I've got to tell you, there was someone who came out with a sell this very night on SoFi at $8.50. I like it. I don't love it as much as when it was in 4, though. That's just the way the business works. We're not done. Let's go to Luis in Puerto Rico. Luis.
Hi, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
I mean, I was a long listener. I loved your show. You're doing great. You're a great guy. I love the way you express things about the stock market and the stocks themselves. So I'm calling you because I wanted to know your opinion about this stock and the software and the AI software. And this is a booming theme right now, a topic that is doing great. And I mean, I don't know if it's a bubble or not.
And what's the stock?
C3 AI.
Look, I love Tom Siebel. I've known him for many, many years, but that stock has moved too far too fast when they did not have a good quarter. So I'm not going to give it my blessing. I just can't. Let's take one more. Let's go to Christopher in Virginia. Christopher.
Cramer. Oh, my God. Thank you so much for everything that you do. I really appreciate all your hard work.
Thank you for calling. Thank you.
No problem. I do have one thing. This company has been increasing their debts by a substantial amount. Also, they're also hiring, too. But I believe this is just a hype phase for AI. They released a DJ sound AI for Spotify. Tell me what you think.
Spotify had a terrific quarter. This was just a lights out quarter, and the stock was absolutely right to miss. I mean, to move. And it's not a miss. It's not a hype. It's the reality. Spotify is a very, very good company. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, the signs read help wanted, but is the cavalry expected? Cramer explains why a worker shortage may be in the offing. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.